Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from PC to your iPhone. Alright, so first thing first, you want to go to your browser and you want to download 3U-Tools, okay? So just search 3U-Tools, alright, and then you can download this app on your computer. Alright, so I already made a video on how to install this app, so make sure you check the video on this channel. Okay, so once you've downloaded this app and installed on your computer, you just open it up. Alright, so I'm gonna open mine. So once you open the app, all you have to do is just plug your phone to your computer. So once you plug your phone to your computer, you're gonna be on this page right here. All right, this is everything about your phone. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to transfer data, transfer some of your files. Let's say you want to transfer you want to import picture from your PC to your computer. All you have to do is just click on import photo, then you select file. Okay, so I'm just going to select our new file right here. All right, this. So then you click on agree. All right, so once it's done installing the app on your phone, all you want to do is just open the app on your mobile phone. All right, so as you can see, imports complete. So the picture has been imported into my phone, as you can see right here. Okay, so let's say music. So you want to import music on your PC to your computer. Just click on import, select file. So I'm going to select just this music and open. All right, so as you can see, it has imported the music into our computer as well. So it's the same goes for books. If you have books on your PC or videos you want to import to files. Okay, so these are some files on my. So you can move files from your computer to your phone or from your phone to your computer. Okay, so you can install apps from your computer. Right. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Okay, try it out. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.